Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening. You know about man. Okay. This video is just about how to assemble MPHF 3050P. Okay. First of all, we need to keep our main board and body on specific area. It's okay. And now take care, okay? First of all, we need to install the screws on this board. Okay. Let's get started. First, you need to just tight parcel revolutions. It's okay. Don't tight first one. Okay. Here you need to install second two, and here we have a third screw. Okay, just little tight first. Don't tight completely. I am telling you why. Okay, this is the fourth. This is the fifth. And this is the sixth. Seven. Eight. 9. And I have just last here the final one, 10. Okay, now why I say don't tight first, because if you need to move this board and you tight one screw, after that you can't tight move the board. Okay, sorry, move the board. So now we need to tight and count. Okay, we install 10 screw on this, so I am starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here we have last one, 10. That's okay. Next screws game is over, and now we need to install wires, but here we have red and black for alternative voltages are current. Some countries are using the red wires and black wires just for DC voltages, direct voltages, and some countries are using a red per line, and some countries using a black per line, but required black and white, the white for neutral and the black for line. Okay, and worldwide using the brown and blue color for neutral and line alternative current or voltages. Okay, so here we have First we need to know about this. The first one is earthing, and the second is line, and the third is neutral. So here we have neutral black, okay, and this is the worldwide earth color. First you need to install this input and output, okay. Install carefully. It's little hard to install, but you can, man. This is the output, okay. Here we have output. This is the output neutral here, okay. So I am installing the black color. When we have a black and red, so we need to install neutral black and red bar line, okay. And sorry, this is the input strips I need to install here, because why, man, what? Okay, sorry, but upside down. This is the input. I was true, okay. Now I need to little tight this. We can mistake, okay, because we are a humans. And little, this is the upside down view, and the reason is that, okay, this is the input, okay. So I need to install a black bar neutral and a red bar line, okay. And this is little opposite from whole world, because the whole world are using this colors just for DC direct voltages, not for AC. But here we have, so we need to install properly, okay. And here we have our output same colors, so here we have output neutral, so we need to install here this black, and here we have output line, so we need to install red bar line, okay. And now set this strip here in the switch panel, okay. And after that you need to remove this earthing wire first, and you can install this cooling fan strip with easily with the angle tweezer like this, okay. I think this is the 45-degree angle tweezer, and here you need to install easily, okay. And now just put this back cooling fan core and take care about this communication circuit. And we need first we need to connect this strip, because after that it's little hard to install, okay. So first we need to install this here. And thank you for your liking and your support. It's a little hard thing to assemble, but you need to assemble this, and the user has combined the input and output neutral, okay. We need to remove this thing from here, and here you need to set down this strip first, you need to set down this strip, okay, for his installation. It's okay. Set down here, okay. And after that, this is the earthing connection, Okay. This is the 7 mm nut. So I need to tighten this with the 7 mm nut driver. First, it's okay, tight. And if you are not satisfied, you can use here a 7 mm wrench. Okay. And after that, we need to install this protection variator circuit here. This thing is not good. Oh man, difficult. It's okay. This filters is not sitting here properly, but we need to fix this. It's okay. Now we can tighten this. And I'm telling you about more straps. Okay. But first I need to set this here. Little tight. Okay. Now complete tight. Okay, that's okay. Now what we need to do, we need to install screw here first. Don't move. It's okay. And one we need to install here. Ah. Nah. It's okay. Sorry for loud speaking, but someone called me and asked with loud sound, and I give answer and loud sound again. It's okay. You can fix this here. Okay. And now we need to discuss this. Okay, this strip you need to install here for CN1 charging. Okay, this strip. And after that you need to keep this PWM solar charge controller here. Okay, and you need to install this strip and CN6, and the tag is to SCC. Okay, and after that you need to install this strip here and SCC start, and in the CN3 here, CN3. Okay, and now we need to install here a screws for negative charging and positive charging first. Don't tight one. Okay, first you need to install. Okay, and after that you need to install this. And first don't tight, you need to tight this screws all together like this. Now you can tight this. One, here we need to tighten one, two, and you need to tighten this negative charge with this PV negative here. Okay, and tight. That's okay. And now we need to install our air ventilation core. Okay, and I received this inverter for repairing, so I have not original air ventilation core of this. Okay, I was make this. Okay, approximately 3 to 4 months ago, just for air ventilation, because this is the important thing to keep cool down your inverter. Okay, so for here I have one self drilling screw to install. It's okay, and one here I have, but I need to replace this with a self drilling screw. This is not the official air ventilation core, but we need to core this air to flow in this specific area, this heatsink. Okay, and now you need to check the cooling fan. That's okay, running and free. And now we need to install a top core, and after this we need to check everything about this, like when we provide a line for this, so we need to receive a line in the middle of output. And you need to install the LED strip here and CN4. Okay, and CN4, and this is the LED strip, LED panel strip. Okay, and here you need to install a LCD strip in this strip, and here. Okay, after that I need to close this top core. Okay, now I need to attach some screws to check this inverter. Okay. there yeah. ورا قبل قبل سفر دي بس بندوم ده ختمي سيب بندوم انه ايوه بس ورا قبل قبل. Okay, I'm just starting to check this, and after that we need to install complete screws on this. Okay, وده ختمي ده ولا سيب تشيكوما ساسر الجاي مشهورة. And here I not received the screws, so I need to install my new screws on this for good repairing. Okay, that's okay. And now I need to check this inverter. Okay, 17 viewers, 17 little game was 17 viewers. Okay, this is the positive and this is the negative. Okay, little man is starting soon and check the output. That's okay. Now we need to check the PV voltages and PV amps. First we need to turn off our inverter. That's okay. Remove the power. Okay, now this is the battery connection, positive, and this is the negative. Worldwide using these two colors, red and black for DC, and I don't know why this inverter manufacturer install a black and red wire for alternative current. Okay, now first we need to provide just a PV voltages to wake up our system. This is the positive. This is the crocodile clamp, and I am using for everything. That's okay, man. Okay, the system is wake up for PV voltages. Okay, and now we need to check the amps. Okay, battery amps. Now we need to have here some amps. I provide around 40 voltages, and here we need to have some amps for battery charging from PV, but first we need to do some watt for this section. It's okay, 1 amp, 2 amps, it's okay. Our PV system is okay. Now I decrease the PV voltages, and now I need to check the AC voltages, and I need to check the AC input wake up system. For this action we need to remove the negative to shut down the power supply and again connect. Okay, now I need to provide this is the input line in the middle. Okay, and the user is combine the output neutral and input neutral. So first I need to remove this for a little time. Oh, and positive remove. So first I need to tighten this properly. Sir, सही वर्षन के फुल शॉट यार जिंदा के गलती न होशी डायरेक्ट शेल लिव खड़े खबर है मखे सर دومره خراب یوزرز پکې یو د مخې سره لیو کوي یار وای نه یار. Okay, now I need to tighten this. It's okay. And now we need to wake up our system from AC. Okay, this is the requirement. Okay, our system is wake up, and now I need to check the input line and output line. Okay, here I have a line. Okay, and here I have a neutral. So first we need to turn on our inverter. Okay, and after that we need to receive a line in this middle output. Okay, that's okay. And now we need to check the amps from AC. Okay, the electron is blowing positive from this side to this side, so we need to attach a clamp meter with this. Okay, 1.8 amps. Okay, my battery is full, so I need to little consume battery, and now I need to completely shut down my charging inverter, and after that I need to check the amps. Okay, we need to do some watt for this. That's okay. 14.7, 23.5. That's okay. All is right. Okay, and after that I am coming live back again with VM3 5 kilowatt 48 volts. Okay, what's next now? Okay, take care, God bless you, and I need to install more screw on this. थोड़ा